Messenger, how to delete messages. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can delete messages on Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to delete messages on Messenger, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Messenger application here. Once you launch the Messenger app, you will see this type of interface. So it depends upon what you're talking about. If you want to delete a specific message that you send inside a particular chat, you can tap the more option and tap the remove option over here to unsend it or only to remove for yourself. That is one of the ways you can delete it. But if you're talking about deleting the whole message, you have to long press on it, tap the delete option, tap and delete in order to delete that entire conversation. And this way you should be able to delete messages on Messenger. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.